Pass the word.
Hey, here we are. Pass the word. We're going to make a little dinner for you tonight.
In a snowstorm.
In the snowstorm.
Oh.
We're hunkered down. We're not going anywhere for a couple days, right?
Oh.
So we do have some good things to make. And we're going to start with this recipe for Cowboy pork tenderloin medallions. And this is in one of our new cookbooks for the Power Airfryer Oven. So what we're talking about.
Remember?
Here it is. Now, I don't think we ever used this on this channel yet, did we? No?
Not for pasta.
It has a door that opens, it has shelves that we can use, and we're going to use the shelves that the air flows through the top and the bottom.
To make meat.
We're going to make some meat. So we have a pork tenderloin here, and we're going to make a little rub for it. And after the pork tenderloin is air fried, then we're also going to have some buttered noodles to make. So let me show you the ingredients here. Okay, first, the tenderloin is about 1 1/3 pounds. So it's
What
a
are you
nice,
going to have?
Oh no, we're going to have plenty of food, don't worry. I'm going to cut this into coins, and then we're going to take the coins and we're going to dip them in the rub. The rub is going to be made from cumin, coriander, garlic powder, minced onion, salt and pepper, and a little brown sugar, and the secret ingredient, some ground coffee.
Decaf.
This is a new recipe for us, so we're trying it with you. And then we're also going to make some buttered noodles and some butter. And we're going to serve the pork tenderloins right on top of the noodles. So let's mix this up in a bowl here. The recipe is very easy because it's measured in even tablespoons. Okay, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of ground coffee.
I'll start boiling water. Oh, you got water in here already.
Yeah, go ahead, start it up. It won't take long.
We're going to make the whole bag, right?
Yeah, make the whole bag.
Classic American comfort. You know, my mom used to make tuna noodle casserole with these.
Oh,
I
yeah.
never married them flatter, though. These are kind of twisty.
There's different kinds.
That's extra wide.
Yeah. Oh, I need a
Whole bag.
All right. Now, after 2 tablespoons of coffee, boy, I could use a cup of coffee
Yeah,
right
should we
now.
make some of that too?
Okay. That would be a good combination. Now we're going to measure 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright, the rest of the ingredients are all 1 tablespoon. That's easy to follow, right? Alright, let's take the cumin, and we'll measure 1 tablespoon. This is a nice rub for a lot of things, I think. We just haven't had the experience with the coffee. And that smells so good. Alright, minced onion or granulated onion, whichever you like to have. Add a tablespoon of that. And then we have granulated garlic powder. Tablespoon of that. Okay, we're getting there.
Did you use the coffee yet?
Yes,
You did?
it's all yours.
Oh.
And then we have the coriander ground. Tablespoon of that. Alright, that's all we have to do is except add the salt and pepper. we're going to put in about a tablespoon of that. You like to do this part, huh?
That's okay.
All right, I'm stealing your job this time.
I'm making the noodles. Noodles paisan. I'm gonna do this hatchet. Are you using this?
Yes, I'm using this to cut the,
Oh boy, is that heavy?
oh yeah, it's heavy. All right, we're just going to stir up the rub a little bit.
It smells alright, huh?
Show them close up what that looks like. Smells good, right?
Yeah. Like the rub for my smoking meat or something.
It could be one of your future rubs.
Future rub.
All right, let's take this package and open it up.
Coins.
Yep, coins. We're going to make coins.
Make coins. Did you coin that phrase?
There's
You
always
use that
something
hatchet?
funny going on. I'm
Uh-oh,
going to use the
be careful.
cleaver. Now,
Careful, June.
I don't have my pearls on. We're just going to make slices that will get done kind of quickly in the air fryer. So, something like this. See how thick they are?
Bit big coin. Why don't you chop it like a hatchet?
I'm trying to be careful here. This is a really sharp cleaver. Rick bought me this for Christmas. It's a great gift, but we have to be very careful with storing it and everything because
It's sharp.
it is sharp. You don't want to run into this one by accident. Okay, now that's quite a nice pile of coins here, right? Alright, so I'm going to take the air fryer trays. We're going to fill 2 trays. And so we'll dip them
In the rub.
in the
You want
rub.
to spray them trays?
I think we're okay.
Well, they look like meat
Look.
cookies.
Look how nice.
Yeah,
Oh
cookies.
boy, all those spices and herbs on there. I think these are going to be delicious. It's kind of like having a meatball on your pasta.
I think it'll fit on one rack.
I wonder if I can get them on one rack.
That
What
would
do
be
you
good.
think? I think that might be a great idea.
Yeah.
Because on the recipe it says move them from the bottom rack to the middle rack and exchange during the cooking time. So this way we won't have to take that step.
Nothing will be blocking the air. Good.
That's right.
I like it like that. Gonna fit or not?
Yeah, it's going to fit. This one piece is rather
That's
large.
a big one, yeah.
I think I'm going to cut that one in half so that it doesn't take longer for the one piece. And I'm going to add a little extra rub to the sides. You know, this is going to shrink too, so there's room. All right, now,
Cowboy pork tenderloin medallions.
right, served on buttered noodles. All right, we're going to go into the air fryer oven with these. Okay, now you can see on the Power XL, you can choose different presets. We're going to choose the one that's for steaks and chops. So I'm going to put this on the second to bottom rack. And you can see there's a plate in here that makes a vortex with the air that's coming down from the top. And that's what circulates the air to the bottom and the top. All right, we're going to close this up. We're going to pick the one that says steak and chops, but we're going to adjust it. We're going to make the temperature 370 degrees, and we're going to make the time 20 minutes. And we're going to start.
All right.
And we have a light in here too if we want to check on this in a little while and see how it's doing. In the meantime, Rick's making the noodles
And the coffee.
and the coffee. How nice.
Egg noodles. All right, I'll
right.
be right there. That's being Dutch. The water is boiling rapidly. stir in the egg noodles. And this should go for about 11 minutes. 8 to 9 minutes. Okay. I was wrong. Coffee's almost done. You want coffee before your meal or after?
Oh, I could have some right now.
Alright. That would be our beverage with the coffee meat. Noodle boils flat. Pass the word. Coffee's ready. What smells better, the fresh perked coffee or the air fried meat coffee? Coffee meat.
It all smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Little cream from me.
Take a peek in the oven here. We have 8 minutes to go. Oh, look at that. It's looking good. Keep the heat in there.
Look like donut hors d'oeuvres or something. But it's meat. That'll be good, huh?
Yes, I think so. All right, we got 2 minutes left on the air fryer, and it's doing real good in there.
Almost drained my noodles.
And Rick's got the noodles cooked.
Drain the water off. Woo. And then melt some butter in there, right? Whole stick of butter.
Right.
Whole stick. I like that idea. Gotta open that.
Yeah, you might want to open it first.
I should make one that label revolves made out of butter. I love butter. Everything's better with butter in it. Does that melt?
Yep. That looks good.
Okay. Hungry.
Now the air fryer is shutting off, but the air is circulating to cool the unit down. In the meantime there, I'm going to test the temperature. Can you hand me the meat thermometer? Alright. I don't know what you can see in there right now. Right now it looks delicious. Let's just take a nice thick part of the meat here.
It's ready.
Oh yeah, it's
Is it?
169 degrees.
Oh, good.
And there's some thicker pieces here.
Make it talk.
Oh.
165.4.
That's what we want, right? 165 at least.
Yeah, now on the pork, if you can eat it rare, you can eat it at 145, but we like
Really?
it well done, yes.
I didn't know that for pork.
Just not ground pork.
Oh.
But a pork tenderloin, you can eat it a little bit rare if that's your preference. But our preference is a little bit more well done. I'm going to set this on the table. And we're going to put some buttered noodles on our plates.
Whoa, good. I mean, it's almost time to eat, right?
Yep, almost time to eat.
I'm ready.
Oh, that looks nice. That looks good. All right.
Just my supper.
This is your supper. Curly Q's hold the butter in there. And that's a nice base for these pork tenderloins. Come on over.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's see. Do they smell like coffee? No. They smell pretty much like... Look how nice that pork meat is. Oh gosh.
Yeah, it looks good inside. Huh?
Let me show you how easy. Look how tender. Oh my gosh. That's really nice.
It's tender.
I need to take a picture of the plate for Instagram. Can you move before? I just want that nice
Instagram.
Instagram.
Hi.
It's really good.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I taste coffee in there.
I do too, but it's a good mix, isn't it?
Buttery noodles.
You like?
Mm-hmm.
Would you use that for a rub on your smoker sometime?
Yeah. But if you don't like coffee, you can leave that out. All the other ingredients are real good. I always like cumin.
Sure. You don't need to add the coffee, but it gives it like a full-bodied taste.
Robust for cowboys.
Robust. It's a good cowboy meal. So, Eric Theiss, this was a good recipe. We liked it. You could eat this on with mashed potatoes and all kinds of different ways, right? We'll put the link for the cookbook and the air fryer in the description for this video. Maybe you'd like to try it.
Thanks for watching. It's real good. Try it.
It's a good snowed-in meal, right?
Almost snow. I think it's 57 days till spring.
Oh gosh. I wish it was tomorrow.
Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice night.